All right, all right. I'm so excited, you know, with what I'm about to share with you guys. I'm so excited, so excited. Right. So in this video, I'll be giving us two solid keywords. One of them will make you $6,000, and the other keyword will give you nothing less than $65,000. Right. Probably based on effort you put at the end of the day, you might not make that exact amount of money, but you won't make nothing less than $1,000 if you follow the step that I'll be showing in this video. So let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back to Express Vast Publishing. And in this video, I want to show us another cash bag. Right, I'm always excited to share with you guys amazing opportunity to make money online, especially publishing book on Amazon KDP. Right, so as all of us know, we're already in the Q4 season, right? And in this last quarter of the year, one of the most important events is the Halloween and Christmas, right? So on the 25th of December, the whole world, Christmas celebration everywhere. And one of the amazing thing about Christmas is that people buy a lot in this season. Or let me just say, one of the amazing thing about the Q4 season or the Q4 quarter is that people make a lot of purchase, right? So this keyword that I'm about to give to you guys is going to be a mind-blowing one. The competition for this keyword is still very low. Few persons have got to know it. When I check it out, just 500 competitors, right? And you have up to 300 and something million customers that hit the Amazon platform on a daily basis. So imagine you having your book on this topic waiting for that December period, right? So by the time we enter December specifically, the sales, the demand for this book is going to go up. So you really need to get started on it right now and create your own version of the book, right? I'll be showing us amazing opportunities as far as this keyword is involved. So one of the things you can do is that, okay, when you're about to publish it, I'll give us some keywords that you can use. But when you're about to publish it, one of the most important thing you can add to your keyword is what? Christmas gift. Anything, any keyword that borders around gift, make sure you have it on your keyword section, because anything about gifts, people will be making demand for something they can give out as gifts to people and all of that, right? So when I search out for this keyword, wow, I just feel like, let me give it out immediately so that all of you can jump on it and start making the money. So what was this keyword? So I came to Amazon and I searched for this keyword. It is called comfy and cozy Christmas coloring book. Amazing. You guys will be like wondering, how do I normally get this keyword? Well, I just have to make a lot of research, and it takes a lot of time for you to be able to figure out what is selling, and also is of less competition, because that's my goal. I don't have the energy to compete with the big guys, running ad and all of that and all of that. I don't have any set aside audience like email list that I can be sending emails to people and say I have published book and all of that, right? So I like going for something of low competition but of high demand, so that as soon as I have my own content made available for that product, I can also benefit from the market that is already available for that product, right? So this is a keyword, comfy and cozy Christmas coloring book. And imagine the search result here shows what? 598, and already shows how to calculate your potential in this kind of keyword, right? So if you want to understand how I normally do my calculation, come and watch this video. You understand exactly how I do my calculation, to understand how to position myself for for the opportunities that the keyword present to me, right? So when you see this keyword 500, right? So let's open the first book that is here. This first book, let's analyze it. This first book was published on the 23rd of September 2024. Smart publisher, and it is an independently published book, meaning someone like me and you publish this book. And how many pages is in the book? Just 110. Your own doesn't have to be that number. Your own can revolve around 85, depending on the capacity you want to go for. Do it. And what's the BSR ranking for this book? Is 3,711. 3,711. This author is making crazy money. Look at his BSR. So look at the category that this author has listed his book. You can also come and create competition for this. What is the dimension? I already talked about the dimension, how to position your book and all of that. So if you want to understand how I do all of that, watch this video or any of these 3 videos. You understand exactly how I accomplish all of that, without wasting much time. So if you open this book up and you look at what the author have done, probably you should be able to get inspiration. So very straight to the point, the description is straight to the point. So let's say we want to see the interior, the interior of the book is straight to the point as well. We don't have to replicate exactly what we have here, but just model because if you replicate, that's more like copying and pasting, and you get into issue doing that. So look at what someone have done that is working, that is, giving the person result, and try to model it. So you see the concept, simple and straightforward. And this author went on to even have A+ content. So this is an opportunity for you to sell your book, inspire your author, your reader, sorry, to get to know what your book is all about and all of that. Yeah. So you see what the author have done here. So now I was like, okay, how do I do this effectively? I went to ChatGPT to get inspiration as usual, right? So ChatGPT gave me a prompt, and just like I always tell us, I use CapCut, to do all my image generation and all of that. But to show us how much this book has for us to make, I use this software, which is it's a web application, actually, Kindlepreneur. So if you check the BSR ranking for that first book that is there, the number of pages is 110. The BSR ranking is 3,711, and the author is selling it at a rate of $7.99, right? So how much is this author making per day? Is it $2,138 per month? Sorry, per month. This is what the author is making per month. So you can come, like, by the time we hit December, this author will be making crazy money. I'm telling you the truth, he will be making more money. Imagine him making this at October. By the time we get to November, December, hey, the sales for this is going to skyrocket, it's going to jump up. So come and position yourself and benefit from this opportunity. Come and position yourself and benefit from this opportunity. So when I got a prompt, I'll be dropping this prompt in the description so that you can just copy it and use. Like, I don't like stressing you guys, because I want you guys to make money with ease, right? So this is the prompt I use, and look at what CapCut was able to give to me. Perfect. This is amazing. So I came over to Canva, and I started setting up the whole stuff. If you really want to understand how I do set up my page, make sure you watch this video. This one, any of these 3 videos that is here will give you the perfect direction you need as far as setting up your page or coloring book is concerned. Even this one, this is a robust video that shows you exactly how I move from the step 1 of research, and other strategies that I use in getting images aside CapCut, right? So watch this video and you'll know exactly how I accomplish all of that, without wasting time, right? So I came over to CapCut, and CapCut gave me this. So when I came over to Canva, all I just have to do is to set up my page to 8.5 by 8.5 inches, and it gave me this square-like dimension. So this is the title of the book, Comfy and Cozy Chrismas Coloring Book, right? So you always remember to put this is your title page, right? So let me delete this so that you won't be confused. So this is the first page, which is your title page, right? So this is not your cover page. Yeah, always remember this. This is not your cover page. This is your title page. This is the first thing you want your reader to see after they see the cover and all of that. So you want to learn how to design cover. I have another video here that shows you exactly how to design book cover. So it's on a playlist. Yeah. So ebook cover design. Just watch this video and you get inspiration on how to design cover, on Canva and all of that. So always remember to put your copyright information, your pen in here, and then a disclaimer. Always give a disclaimer to help you in the future if in case you run into any issue, right? And someone want to call you to order, want to sue you, most importantly. So if you have a disclaimer and liability note, it will help to bail you out, just to say, okay, I said this thing. This book is just for information purpose, it's not for anything, anytime. Just have that disclaimer and liability concept. It will help you. So the number 2 page is for this book belong to, right? So you have it, and then the number 3 page is how to use this coloring book. You can just copy this and use. Yeah, copy this and use. You won't have any issue with that. And then the number 4 page is what test your color here. The number 5 page is where you now start inserting the images that you have generated using Canva. And then if you want to watch, using CapCut, if you want to watch how to generate further images without using CapCut, you can watch this video and it will show you exactly how to achieve that without wasting time, right? So I have the image here, and this image, if you look at it, the background is a bit is gray, there's gray scale on it. So let's see whether I'll be able to edit that a little. So let me click on edit, and then I'll come to adjust. And when I come to adjust the brightness, let me shift the brightness to 50. I will hit enter, and then construct, let me take construct to 50 as well to see whether to solve that. Yeah. So if you can, as you can see now, it has removed that gray scale that is on it, and you can just try it out for yourself and see how you can make it have that feel that is okay for you. And you can still make further adjustment to this if you are not cool with that settings. Yeah, definitely by the time I want to do further editing, I will add some adjustment to ensure that it gives me that better feel that I want. So I don't want this video to be lengthy, so I won't go into all of that. So another important thing is that you can upscale this image. You can upscale this image. So if you come to Canva, sorry, if you come to CapCut, let me see. Okay, it's no more valuable, but when you download this image, one of the AI tool, that's, yeah, you see image upscaler, you can use this image upscaler to upscale this image to a better quality so that it will have that better feel, when you are using it. So the next image here, so this other page, just as usual, I said this page was left blank, so your paint from the previous page won't bleed on the next coloring page, right? So happy coloring. So the next image that I generated from CapCut, which is this, I will have it here as well. I'll have it inserted. So any other image that I'll be generating as time goes on, I will just keep inserting them. So this is the template I use, right? I've established this template. So all I just use to generate image and have them inserted So I will do a practical video on how I design simple cover, right? Simple cover. And that video, you can watch it immediately after this one, as soon as it's available, right? So as soon as you are done designing all of this, all you just have to do is to do what? Is to click on share and you download it as a PDF print. So you use PDF print and you download all the section, and you have your manuscript ready, right? Which is your coloring pages. So depending on the number of coloring pages you generate, my intention is to do up to like 50 for this, right? So that 50 should be giving me a good number of image for my readers, and my users to color and then feel good at the end of the day, right? So as soon as you are done with that, you can proceed to publish. And if you want to watch how I do publish my book, there is another video that is on my channel here that shows you exactly how to publish your book, right? So I think this is a video, you can watch it and then know how to publish your book on Amazon. But just to show you guys how great this book is, and as I told us earlier, I will be giving us keyword that you can use at the 7 back end section. And just to validate the profitability of this keyword, let me show us something. No any publisher or YouTuber will show you guys what I'm showing you, because people are very self-centered most of the time, but I just feel like what is it, if you really want to help people, help them to the last point, where they feel help at the end of the day, right? So that is why I do some of the things that I do. I go all in to ensure that everything is given out to you guys, right? I go all out for you guys, and so if as you see, definitely you appreciate what I do, and if it's helping you, all you just have to do is to like the video and subscribe, right? That's all you can do for me. Just like and subscribe, and let's grow together. So if you come to this software that I use, it's called Publisher Rocket. I use some paid tools, to ensure that I have the best experience, and to have a clear cut information that will help me to achieve my goals at the end of the day. So you see this coloring book, this is a keyword that I'm giving to you guys, and instantly I'm giving us another, another keyword, which is this one: cozy friend, cute and comfy coloring book. I'm giving it to you guys, right? Because I want you guys to go make this money. It's as simple as that, right? So look at the competition here, 191. That's the competition. And how much sales, or how much is this book making on a monthly basis? Up to this keyword, that's 6,139. And this other keyword that is here as well is $65,750,000. And how many people are competing for this? Just 262 competitors. So jump on this too, and make this money. Like, I'm just excited sharing this thing with you guys, because I believe it will go a long way to help somebody, solve some, financial issues that borders around their life, and help their loved ones and all of that, right? So go do this for yourself. I've given you guys in this video 2 solid keywords that can change the game for you. So one of the interesting thing about coloring book is that always try to dominate that niche, dominate that keyword. So don't just create one copy of your book and go rest, right? So publish up to like 3 to 5 of that keyword, variation of that keyword, not you more like duplicating your work. No, publish variation of that keyword, and it will go a long way to help you make crazy money, right? You can use different pen name, right? And then you can put them in one series. Just be creative around this, and that is how you make money from publishing coloring books. So I believe this video has gone a long way to help you understand how you can break into this Christmas niche and make some cool money for yourself. So all I've given to you guys in this video, 2 major keywords, and also this prompt that you can use, to generate the coloring image that you can use. And I think that's fair enough, right? So if this has been of help to you, just subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with somebody that will benefit from this. And just like I told us in the last video, you can use this number so that you generate up to 4 images on a go, right? You can generate up to 4 images on a go without wasting time, right? So yeah, that's that, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching to this point, and I appreciate all my subscribers, all of you that has made effort to subscribe to this channel. I appreciate all of you that has liked this video and are sharing my videos. I appreciate big time, and it gives me encouraged, to create more helpful video like this. And I believe as you guys watch and implement, it will go a long way to change your financial and status, and give you opportunity to do a lot of stuff for yourself and your loved one. Yeah, so thank you, and see you in the next video.